Hello, my name is Lady Just. In our last video, we showed you the immense financial loss to the state caused by some elements of the NDC. In this episode, we continue with just how wicked these people can be. This is Truth in Politics. Dasebre how he knows this. But before we get to that, let me give you some estimates. Now that's 700 V8s which are ordered at an inflated average amount of $200,000, although the manufacturer's suggested retail price is between $90,000 and $110,000, and that makes it roughly $140 million. Land Cruiser Prados are ordered at an inflated average amount of $95,000 each, although one can purchase it at retail for less than $60,000, and that comes to $66.5 million for the 700 vehicles. The 500 Nissan Navara at an average ordered price of $95,000 cost the nation about $47.5 million. So when you add up all these 3,137 vehicles that are currently missing, you're looking at about $350 million. And the NDC simply kept them after they left the office. Some are being driven on our streets, but the bulk of them are hidden at homes and in obscure places, including bushes. Yes, bushes. So, Dasebre, these vehicles cannot be given out without the knowledge of the then Chief of Staff, Julius Deborah Kande.
Julius Deborah, the Chief of Staff. V8 will be one in China. On the green in China, and about 2016 model. One year entitled for those cars in there's a buyer here cars in because Nenkata may check here. Now, Julius Deborah Kasankasa makes it chassis number singing. For 2010, chassis number 90, who feed it to GC net and the Mac V8 and then the Toyota Avalon. Nina 2016 model. It's not qualified for that. You should bring the cars.
But they had a person in charge of transport at the then Flagstaff House, one Reverend Aban Botre. How did he allow this to happen? How?
My car said, Nayan Kochi transport officer, or do only 4 months to see that. Because we are cars in Biagum. Even Office of the President, equipment, state equipment, good fee. To my man, I want the garage. Because not 3 cars, maybe one. Jacket 2. Your friend Reverend Abambuki, so for your for where we omega pay. No, or your deputy transport officer, our President Mahama Time of Jubilee House, friend Flagstaff House. And just a cheap or no, your cheap Reverend Abambuki, near cheap Prince Wood, near Chi Hansen, Aqua. Sir Abambuki no Nikuta, the whole Flagstaff House, state vacancy, Guta data. Timikra Mibusa no Nebana and the laptop school. Now I'm saying, may call that the ban me here, all the data.
Really? I mean, were these vehicles only given to people in government, or the NDC party people also took some?
Come in that account. On us V8, which is 4x4. Though will be, but state ones and so. Someone home. A young one. Besides in the car, Toyota Camry, or friend on phone, and also Pavichow, or crew in the group will be in meeting. It is 2 days down November to Australia. Member never car in any day. Echo. Now, or the number to a bar, or the grata member driver can be the car difference. And I work to airport. And I'm seeing you, and I'm the man. From last year, we are making that camera. Sansa we checking the office of the president, good in gratitude. On friend of you. the community account. State vehicles, community account. I'm in a casa. I'm not stuck on 5 years. I'm passing a Berman in the man. Integrate our bed up to now. On February. And I'm my brother called Zelda. On who you do or 2 numbers or the number of Rabon, by me for 2 years. And I'm my brother, Victor Smith, presidential BM, I want to change. And we jump on the Sam say he. And so, I buy cars from us, state vehicles. In your back, Toyota Avensis, no, they be fat. Or buy me one chain. And on the castle on full sale capital. Or the man in Java, no, they are the Abraham. Up to now, some say here for Avensis no buy. And young one almost Toyota Land Cruiser. Any other cars account. And see a bongo. And also Land Cruiser cars one more. And Toyota Camry. And also my friend. And also sa my family. And then a girl do aside. And also cars in me. I want to change. And you go buy Eba mention on Friday, we share airport, shell, shop right inside, the work was shell. But then that I'm children or you too. It is Usunze, Kokuba, and Kevin, or Faka, and all the other day, or the other. And I wish you, my friend, on the phone of February, or not see a V8 and Toyota Avensis 2016 model. On yet qualify for that. It is a buying from the age. And the Tete so a V8 Land Cruiser. Land Cruiser. Last year, and a mom the fake registration number. A mom bet me to 10. That mission be a magic. A state vehicle. Even Harissa Corso, if you want to change. Harissa Corso, state vehicles, which is 4x4 a year, Toyota Land Cruiser. I want to change.
Who else has these vehicles?
We jump on so Alpha state cars and our 4. Camry need 2. Camry no back ash color. And a back black. And a Nizana Bara also. The one in our pictures macro Nizana Bara 1. And a Toyota Land Cruiser also 1. In the car I have 4. Say no Kitibia. Menuka say okay. I buy cars. Baby, Toyota Camry and the Toyota Avensis. I see Niku and the makers of our hand. Also, Papa Joe, say, give me a meme one. When you with me a far with me at all, no, I put you a duty. That's the minister to me. I just said, Nibu would to me, chief of staff. Office of the president. And then Nipadona of President Mahama office, the fellow Dami. And Uriah. And we know registration number na ebo hu we no free on the way bo the number we ebo ho no e trata ya banded number and ebo hu ya friend no da me ndu ka madam defective bonso ka no ofa bi kosi ekosi enye we nko a ebi sa ka ho number na ebo hu ya ban number na GT 7850-14 madam defective of fa card pe a odi kosi no Enokoti Ukutu aban number ni free ho no ono di GT 1414 ebo anything the mama chain excavator ni tipper trucks ni wan igu he DC's offices tipper trucks wa aya numeri no DC's no wa omdi yejuma what you say and change of government NDC mpanifo no bi eye ba ko na omdi free assembly no omdi be see NDC ni fee. So to push baby cry.
So you said someone sold one of the vehicles for $45,000. How was he able to do so?
My friend, one of NDC minister, including MP, my friend, was up on Joe. Car, a banker, will be able to pay $45,000. And I'm saying, me here letter, I say, a bank on car, man. And I say, what here, letter, can say, car, Sabana demand of a track up to now, a couple of months. What the honorable do no be young.
So why in Ghana have they managed to hide these many vehicles? Are these vehicles in Ghana?
Ewo vie. Ebi wo nkrofo vie. Mesi minim baby ebi wo mo obo. Me chiro se minim baby. Asa everything January 2017. 5th January. Me chi nkrofo bebre vie minim baby akase bubu. Edi ni mo di wo di nu ne nipa ne ti ye a no ye fi odi. Stay in go. Omo use na na do. Saturday ni Friday night ni Sunday. Omo di bi. Omo di ko yi ko. Omo di ye renta. De me ya se. Omo se twa mo di ka na Ghana government. Ami wa. Ghana se ono ane bi Ghana government ya. Makofie bi mu akwa ko hu se V8 ni ye 15. And pickups nso ye 25. But me felt ntuga. Me felt ntuga. Ma cop hope 5 times. Go gas no di bia ko sisi. Omo di means we carbona. Oh. Burkina Faso Koton.
And you said even the man that President Mahama placed in charge of anti-corruption also stole some of the vehicles?
Ex-President Mahama. The director of anti-corruption, I even Daniel Bettina. When we are casting we are VAT back, and Mitsubishi Pajero back, and Camry is back. No, we and no one is a Bobesomoto. By almost checking the office of the president. But we were Papa Netias and Meko, and also the Yen Mama Bay. But some of the Busan and Grata, Oman 1 week, 2 weeks time and a man, Tipa Panin because it's a car. Because it's a car, no, Papa Negu. Now, Papa Negu, we will be seen then a bank and where my reason was able to demand for them. A one and report to case no identity police station, and I'm the police for. And I do far to Inca. Now I'm going to be 2 Babana, the Chiomde, Bakubekan. But up to now, Langusa Prado, Langusa V. President Mahama, Papa Nuyen, Papefa V. It messes President Mahama, on fact, than a better than V. Or quite dental 73.5, maybe into a family. I mean, fact, officer the president can command. President Mahama, the co Papa. No, never Panago Casa, I said, or back of 5 V. No, the Akoya campaign, no, the Pajaro Abren. Indeed, or call Papa in Sahel hospital, and Papa no man go ahead and go 5 V because never Papa them send me that time. Indeed, Sarah Kusan, a year gave 40-14. I'm on the justice of our President Mahama, or free than a better dam. Home, Papa knew you are didn't become of. Or Penny Betty Dam, and American as them say, family member, me be calculated, President Mahama, Abefa Language and say, or the Barakoye campaign to Abefa no day. Sir, Mitsubishi Pajero, we are this year. I can't come in. It's number Nebonwa, Ura Mahama de Baye, JR 2435-19. Mitsubishi Pajero. President Mahama and the Kusiho and Wafa Land Cruiser registration number near JV 40-14. Bonse or the Barakoye campaign. President Mahama de Kusiho and Uni Pajero registration number nini. Now document you issue criminal. Are you fake? Yes, are you fake? Because Mr. Betty Dam no any. Mr. Betty Dam no package we net on car near the bay. A man. The same Mr. people be back to her Cameron and so your officer the president. The same man we picture and it was Nina. I say chief of staff. You was there and the picture baha because I know or since I may you to me turn a buying car. I don't know me parking in our dental police station to me the extracts. So I'm from the police station, police headquarters, which is auto theft. No move if you now. V8 to know ex-president Mahama. Near could give me eating and so I hear from my phone and come. Tiano Mediama auto text, I will police equities.
And a judge who did a favor to President Mahama?
Now, Judge Penny Ukruma, almost been validated to you. Almost for a car, to make a year and on the catch them say, or ye might be my Oman Penny Mahama, ex President Mahama, and you will feed on Osman Medical and the Dallas. And I'm going to get over that. Occupy that and buy and make that now, or no de Bremen, may check the office of the president, which is Steve Baker, Namkakan, so onion one kindly, or kindly and so over. And not the key, mammy, or the mamma and the key, and the bread and the bad back to Jubilee House.
What about journalists?
Journalists, Abiku Santana Fabi, Magic. And Pascal in Adadivo or many or GTV. And Napoleon at Tito, or also what they buy. Robert Catchman and sending my beer with the Koyaba on February. And Into Bibininto. And Samuel Adabre or Rebugu. Almost casting you will be at 2 here a woman. How's it? I'm going to say. Or you will be safe. Okay, now, by office of the president, car, I want to check. No business the office of the president. You see that car, that's what we check. I can see that. Oguta language, Samidia here. Chances number here JTM HVO 9J4 D409 7220. Registration number AGT 556-15 Akwasi Pratt. But our office of the president listing so. Abeku Santana so office of the president car. Waton Edia Koji Asase. And Abeku Santana should be invited. And interrogation and jail. There's evidence here. This is Abeku Santana, teacher. This is a document. It's fake. This is the chassis number, registration number, change of ownership. A buying car, yentoin, any change of ownership, which is Abeku Santana. Sakas in Mubias in Uyima, Captain Smart. Captain Smart said President Mahama the demand, and only Captain Smart the picture. Registration number, Captain Smart the Diabom, JS 1-16. Captain Smart is President Mahama, and a demand, which is a state vehicle. And nothing I'm doing about the said, maybe a brand in our president, ex-president Mahama. And son Mugabe not even do so with Ghana for 24 term, including president of Ghana. And also, I say President Mahama, and a day, Sir Brado, and the Casa, Aman. Omudi judges in Atem. I don't call Jerry non by President Mahama. From Jubilee House, and we come, send the permission of Mubiama. In the other one, no count your friend Akugan. My Genedia Akugan, my dear Akugan. In the true Akugan, and watch me, baby. President Mama Castle the Mount, the Ubi, and the man who said Mugabe, and other guy, no, or the message, but the BB go, I'm so not. My J1, Mugabe, okay. Any other minor.
Okay, now tell us about the house you went to where you saw over 40 of those 4x4s.
Obamadi Mahama, Castle on the Treposa. Because I'm afraid of my call, it's your picker. Baby, brief you. Castle V8, Kwa Lewu Club. Meaning more than 40. Because the dear mammy, yes, a bitchy, pick up me. you go see presidency and a telephone calls on friend. Through that, I mean, opportunity and you will feel. Oh, moi, here, part, many bags I come up, Mr. Malcolm. Say, oh, me a man to proper operations. Near man to proper operations, no. Cast me in a Sabbath. Because all the beer renter, a someone one cousin. It's a banner man in Nimre. Near your flow, and as obey announcement to be. Nasa, and that one this, this, no one returning cast one. And yet, Sabi, a brand new dear, and only in a night before Luna. I'm watching. Sabi, they born in the crown with him. And that's all. Yeah. The Camille Messer and a night before. And in administration said, oh, mommy and Nimre. No man made up a dinner could be in this form. Yankoti.
My name is Lady Just, and this has been Truth in Politics. If you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Truth in Politics GH. Watch us on all our social media handles, Truth in Politics GH. Thank you.